welcome to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. This month we are going to be making Impossible Poppers. The star of this month's show is FoodPRO item number 41934. So let's get started. This stuff looks just like ground beef. I got about 2 pounds of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this like taco meat. Add my taco seasoning. Pretty much there. Looks just like taco meat. Alright, so to make our filling, I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of shredded cheddar. Mixing this up. And our 2 pounds of Impossible taco. So here I have some jalapeno peppers that I have blanched. Just threw them in boiling water for 2 minutes. Then straight into ice water to stop the cooking process. Just to kind of get them soft and pliable. I have them. I've removed the ribs and the seeds. So they won't be too spicy. I'll take a little bit of my filling. That looks good. Those are stuffed. And now we'll move on to the breading process. Got a standard breading station here. I got some seasoned flour, some egg wash, and some panko breadcrumbs. Nice and golden brown. There you have it, folks. Impossible Poppers. Thanks for cooking with FoodPRO.